Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. IKEA is renowned for its innovative and affordable home furnishing solutions. Their bathroom mirror cabinet ideas are no exception. These mirror cabinets seamlessly blend functionality and style, offer a range of design options to enhance your bathroom space. IKEA bathroom mirror cabinets come in various sizes and styles, allow you to find a perfect fit for your bathroom. One of the key advantages of these cabinets is their space-saving design. They are typically well-mounted, which means they don't take up valuable floor space, making them ideal for smaller bathrooms. This clever use of space allows you to declutter your bathroom, providing a clean and organized look. In terms of aesthetics, IKEA offer mirror cabinets in different finishes from classic white to sleek modern design, ensuring they can complement any bathroom decor. The mirrored front serves a dual purpose functionality as a practical mirror by daily grooming routines, while concerning storage within these hidden storage is a valuable features as it allows you to store toiletries, meditations, and other bathroom essentials discreetly, keeping your bathroom neat and tidy. Additionally, many IKEA mirror cabinets come with adjustable shelves, making it easy to customize the interior to suit your specific storage needs. Some models are also include integrated lighting, which not only enhances visibility but also adds a touch of elegance to the bathroom. In summary, IKEA bathroom mirror cabinets are a fantastic addition to any bathroom, offering a blend of practicality and style. Their space-saving design, variety of finishes, and hidden storage make them a smart choice for those looking to optimize their bathroom space and maintain an organized and appealing environment. Whether you have a compact bathroom or a spacious one, IKEA mirror cabinets can provide a seamless and budget-friendly storage solution. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.